Hi guys, I am Muhammad Naji Abu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So we will be starting a new playlist for PyTorch. So we can start with the introduction. PyTorch is a machine learning framework based on Torch library used for applications such as computer vision and natural language processing. It is developed by Meta AI and now is part of the Linux Foundation. It is more Pythonic and it is one of the fastest growing deep learning framework. So Torch and PyTorch deep learning library. So we mentioned that PyTorch is based on the Torch library, right? So both are developed by Facebook, and Facebook first developed Torch, then it is developed PyTorch. So both are open source, and Torch uses the Lua programming language and PyTorch uses the Python. So currently the Facebook has stopped that Torch development. And these are the few deep learning frameworks which is developed on top of PyTorch. That is Tesla Autopilot, Uber's Pyro, Hugging Face Transformers, PyTorch Lightning, and Catalyst. And these are the few organizations that uses PyTorch. That is OpenAI, Microsoft, Toyota Research Institute, and Airbnb. So we will discuss about a little bit on the PyTorch benefit. So it has a large community and it is easy to integrate with other Python libraries and is supported by major cloud platforms. It supports CPU, GPU and parallel processing. And it also supports dynamic computational graph. That means network behavior can be changed at runtime. So that is all about in this video. So in our coming videos, we can discuss more about PyTorch. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.